This 2022 Newmar Ventana 4369 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 43 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Colfax Decor, Toffee Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, stovetop burner, air conditioning, slideout, awning, LP detector, self-contained, leveling jacks, external shower, microwave, Colorado detector, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Ventana 4369 is built on a Spartan K2 chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.